Hey, Ray from Mills GM, and check out this fresh trade. 2B170014A is a 2016 Enclave Premium TUSCAN edition. By TUSCAN, I mean it's got the bronze grille, the bronze highlighted wheels. This one's a one owner. It's a new Enclave trade. Really a nice truck. It's got great big moonroofs in it. Appears to have navigation, heated quad seating. Here, I'll open this seat for you. This is pretty much how it came in. Just a nice, clean, fresh trade-in. Just a nice car. You're interested in better pictures of this, you want to see it when it gets cleaned up, you want to talk about Enclaves or any SUV, call the pre-owned promise team at millsgm.com, 888-829-3504.